Hey guys, it's me, back with another video. So I'm going to be showing you two of my slimes. I've already showed you one, sorry. I'm making new this weekend, and I will make them here so that I can show you guys how to make slime and how I do it. So, let's get started. So, today I'm going to be showing you my slime on this. I call this my, slime board. So I just got it. So it's my little slime board. It says live your life, live the life you imagined. So you don't really need a slime board, but I suggest it if your parents don't like messes. Which a lot of parents don't like messes, so I suggest one. Okay, so I just got out of the shower, my hair is like. Okay, so this is the one I've already showed you. Pretty much Mars slime here. It's really satisfying. This video is going to be a really short video because I had a lot to do. So this is my Mars slime. So just keep it in mind that if your slime ever gets sticky, put more shaving cream. Okay, so my next one is Jiggly slime. So let's show you what my Jiggly slime looks like. Okay, so this is my Jiggly slime. So I'm just wiggling the thing. And it wiggles, jiggles, jiggles, jiggle, jiggle. Okay, so it's my favorite color, green, and like it's really jiggly and satisfying. So if you guys wanna, this one I actually didn't make. This one actually came in a container. It's called Silly Sludge. So you can buy this at the Dollar General in Madison. You can buy it at Five Below in Elkhart. You can really just not Walmart and Kroger's. That's really and the Dollar Tree, I believe, but go to the Family General, like store, whatever that's called. I know this is a short video. I'm sorry. I'll make a long one tomorrow or something. Love you. Peace.